See, the thing is that it's very clear. We don't have to specify that after giving so many notices,
Right.
after giving representations legally, uh, when you know that they don't have a legal permission, they are doing their work illegally, but still there is no cognizance is being taken by the police. That clearly reflects the fact that somebody is working behind them. Some political entity is the force which is restricting the police machinery in taking cognizance of this illegal situation. Now I will specify this, that this Gaikwad Nagar is not the only spot. There's one another spot called Cheda Complex. In Cheda Complex, some 50 odd flats. It's a society built by a Hindu builder. 50, 55 flats were sold to all the Hindus. Some 10 Muslims have purchased the flats in that society.
Right.
And now the situation has arisen to such an extent that most of the Hindus have rented out their flat to Muslims, and they have taken the flat somewhere else.
Right.
And only 15 flats now, as of now, belong to Hindus.
Right.
Now, here also, see the calculated move, see the calculated modus operandi. In Gaikwad Nagar, I told you, same, a masjid was constructed in a house called Gausia Masjid. Here, what these people did, these people encroached upon the right to access, the right to way of that society. They constructed a masjid, Hazrat Ali Masjid, to be very specific. Okay. And
Right.
in spite of a notice by the BMC for demolition, that notice is being stopped. No demolition has taken place. You can understand why, who is working behind them. I can share with you the papers of those area, that particular area. See, this is the 1991. This is the deed which
Right.
was given by the builder developer to the residents of Cheda complex, stating that this is their right of way, the right to access. This deed was executed by the builder with the residents, providing them the right to way. Now, that right to way is being encroached upon by this masjid. We have given a written complaint to ward officer BMC, to the collector, to the building proposal department of the BMC, as well as the police station.
Right.
No cognizance has been taken. Secondly, there is a GR, government resolution of 6th of August 2003, which says that whenever there is an illegal religious construction of any religious community, I'm not talking about Muslim, whether it is Hindu, Christian, anybody, a local police station also can take cognizance of the situation. Any officers of the, but in spite of giving that GR, no action is being taken.
What's the response of the police? Why are they not taking cognizance?
See, there is a blame. They play a strategy of blame game. They say you go to BMC. BMC says that you go to court, which we will do in the near future. We are not scared of anyone. But the thing is that this is the modus operandi in obtaining their ultimate motto of Zameen Jihad. Now, what happened in the Cheda complex area also? That masjid has been constructed. Okay, so people come there for offering namaz. Then there are many skirmishes with the people staying in that society. This is how it started.
Right.
That 10 families which purchased the flat started harassing the Hindu population over there by following the agenda, by following the strategy which I had earlier given you. I narrated the earlier plan of action being followed. Same strategy is followed over here, which led to their exodus. Now only 15 families are remaining, but that 15 families, we will definitely take this matter to the legal arena for availing justice for them.
Right. As and when this matter takes a more serious turn, do let us know and please join us again to give us updates on what has been happening. And I genuinely hope that you stay safe because you are dealing with extremely dangerous elements. And I'm sure you would have received threats now and then.
No, see, this is not the 1990s era. This is 2021. It's not that easy, and there is always my God to take care of. I'm not scared of anyone, because if everybody feels, and if everybody feels that I'm not the person, somebody else should do, so then I think so Hinduism is in danger. So I
Right.
don't believe in that ideology. I feel that you should be the first person to take this issue at your hand.
Fantastic. I'm sure a lot of our audience will resonate to what you just said, and I'm sure they will really respect you for the kind of seva that you're doing, sir.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.